Wubba lubba dub dub! So we pulled the motor, used paint stripper to strip the bed liner that was in here before, and I sprayed some primer on here. You can see I got the rain tray about 3-4 years ago. If you're Volkswagen, you would know. A Volkswagen person, you'd know. But there's some imperfections down here. I try to Bondo, smooth it out, whatever. But I'm not a body guy, so it's getting sent like that. And these right here are stage 8 bolts. They're locking bolts because we've had issues with bolts backing out the manifold. So you use the stage 8 bolts or hardware to lock them in so they can't back out. So it'd be something like this. This goes in there, and then see, this goes in there. You put the locking tab in there, so when you backs, it moves, it kind of hits something, probably the exhaust manifold. And then there's this clip that goes right in there, lock it in so it doesn't back out. But that's how those work. This is the turbo I was talking about. On 3 Performance GT 3071. It's a 55 mil turbo. So I'm probably just gonna get this rebuilt or rebuilt it myself. Damn, that got hot from slipping that clutch. Jesus Christ. It's a Mark IV fuel rail. Part number if anybody's interested. But I'm gonna be running -6 fuel lines, so I cut off the ends. Where are those ends at? Show you what they look like. Somewhere, whatever. But cut off the end. Gonna put a -6 fitting on there because I'm running -6 fuel lines in here. So it looks like I might have to do some filling around this. So put it in here. And tack it. I might need some filler. Decent tacks. Just gotta weld it around. Let's see how that turns out. The thing with TIG welding, you gotta be comfortable. If you're not comfy, then you're gonna be fucking shit up.